Why settle for ordinary when you can lead? Welcome to iLEAD, Kolkata's award-winning college, offering a transformative 4-year Bachelor in Business Administration program. At iLEAD, we don't just teach business, we redefine it. We combine business theory with practical skills, empowering you to lead, innovate, and succeed in today's dynamic industries. Recognized at the RD India Awards, iLEAD ensures that you gain practical exposure, hands-on experience, and mentorship from industry leaders. Our curriculum is designed to unlock your potential, covering everything from cutting-edge data analytics to launching your own startup. Our global collaborations bring you closer to the international business world. Whether it's higher studies, leadership roles, or entrepreneurship, iLEAD opens doors to endless opportunities with 100% placement assistance and startup funding for your business ideas. The leaders of tomorrow are shaped at iLEAD today. Your future is waiting. Unlock it with iLEAD. Enroll now.
iLEAD. Imagine, become.